700 exercise number 37. Ready? The Englishman, comma, it is widely believed, is always talking about the weather. First up, it is probably true that the people of this country do talk about the weather more than is the case in some other countries, but that is merely because the English weather gives us more to talk about. First up, we simply do not know from one day to the next what sort of weather we shall get, and sometimes we really do not know from hour to hour. First up, and so it has become natural to us to talk about the weather, and when we meet a friend we usually make some such remark as what a lovely day, or perhaps what weather, according to how we feel. First up, nor do most of us like most of the weather. First up, it is either too warm or too cold. Water comes down upon us in such amounts that we feel like turning into fishes, or it does not come at all, and all the plants we have so carefully put in the ground are in danger of dying. First up, no, we do not really like our weather, but we are willing to state to any who are willing to hear that our weather is the best in the world. First up, far from us, we say, is the desire for lovely warm days throughout the whole of the year, and so on. First up, the fact that we state that our weather is the best in the world does not, of course, mean that we have to like it. First up, and like it we do not most of the time. First up, perhaps that is why so many people go to other countries for their 2 or 3 weeks leave in the summer. First up, they are willing to put up with the changing weather while they go about their day-to-day working lives, but for those wonderful weeks when they are free from work, they want something better, some measure of certainty that the days will be kind to them. First up, yet when all is said and done, we know that there is nothing quite like a lovely English summer day.